Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you, and this time it is an all makeup advent calendar and it's by NYX and it's their Love Lust Disco. I bought this from Superdrug and it cost me £50. I'll pop a link down in the description if you're interested in taking a look for yourself. I love NYX advent calendars. For the last 3 years I've been getting them and it's one of the top advent calendars that I look forward to getting. It's not top of the range luxury, but it's an affordable box. I think for £50 going by previous years, I think it's really worth it. I found some amazing products that I absolutely love, especially their lipsticks. I think my favourite advent calendar of theirs was not last year's but the year before. All lipsticks, 25 lipsticks, and they were amazing. Yeah, there were some wacky colours there, but nearly all of them I absolutely loved. So I do look forward to these advent calendars. So in this video I'm going to be opening up every single door, showing you exactly what is inside this calendar, so it's full on spoiler video. I love the packaging. This is so cool. It's a little bit different. You can see we've got records and everything there. So this is a 24-day calendar. It's supposed to be a mix of their greatest products, and I'm sure I've read that they're all full size. So let's find number one and open it up. I knew this wasn't going to be easy for me. So I'll see how I do with this box, because normally the NYX advent calendars I like to unbox for you to show you, and then I like to pop them back in and I open them up in December. But this is a different design type of box, so I'm not sure how well it's going to last, but I'm going to be as careful as possible opening up so that I don't rip the whole thing to shreds. So we'll see. So number one then, over here. So the first item is a lipstick and it's a matte suede. It looks like there. So this is a full-size item. So information about all these products are on the bottom of the advent calendar, and it says that in number one you'll have a choice of 3. So there's either this one, which is Stuff You, STFU, or there's 19 Moonwalk, or there's OU22 Ace. So I'm not sure what they are, but I'll show you what Stuff You is. Oh my word, it's the colour of the heart. Whoa. Start off with a bright one. That's what that looks like there. Try it in my hand. That is such a gorgeous colour. It is absolutely beautiful. Whoa, I'm not used to wearing colours like that. Oh no, I'm really chuffed with that. The colour is a bit like woohoo, but I'm going to play around with it and see what I can do. Maybe if I do like just a black winged eyeliner and keep the rest of my eye makeup quite plain, and then just go in with a full bold bright purple lip. That is gorgeous though. That is such a pretty colour. So number two, I don't know where it is. Up here. And we've got some foil play. I'll just open the outer packaging. So from reading the bottom of the advent calendar, it looks like we'll all get the same product. So on day one we'll get the lipstick. On day two we get a foil play, a glitter pigment, but the shades could be different. So if you're watching this thinking I want exactly the same as Claire, then unfortunately that can't happen. You might be in luck, but yeah, there seems to be 2 or 3 different choices for a lot of the products that we're receiving. At least you know the type of products that you'll be getting. So this is gorgeous. See there? Just put a little bit on my hand. That is absolutely beautiful. I've got it in shade Malice. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely stunning. Can you see there? It's like a gunmetal. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh, I love that. Absolutely love that. So yeah, so that's day number 2. Number 3, where are you? At the top here. Not that it matters, does it? Not that it matters that I'm showing you, because it doesn't matter. I just want you to feel included in my excitement. So we got a Suede matte lip liner, and it's in the same sort of shade as the lipstick. I'll just take the wrapper off again. Yeah, and it's in Stuff You. So it looks like there. Oh, that's brilliant. So you got a lip liner and the lipstick as well. Yeah, it's exactly the same shade. Exactly the same shade. So yeah. So day number 3, we got a lip liner. Day number 4 here. What is this? It's a glowy lip colour, a Candy Slick. I've never tried one of these. This is something new for me. And this is in shade Jawbreaker. So it's a Candy Slick. Oh my word, yeah, definitely my shade, definitely. That is beautiful. Oh wow, wow. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this calendar, especially if they're all full size. That's amazing. So that's day number 4. Day number 5, right down the bottom here, and we've got a pencil, is it? But it's all wrapped up. Hold on. No, it's not. It's a makeup brush. It's a makeup brush. And ooh, it's got one of these plastic like shape guard things, which are handy. So when you brush your brushes, when you wash your brushes, pop that back on and that keeps them in a nice shape. I don't own any NYX makeup brushes. In all honesty, I didn't know that they did any. I don't know. Anyway, this is Professional Makeup and it's number 17. So yeah, nice and fluffy, really nice and fluffy. Oh, that's a nice brush as well. Nice for doing quite a wide sort of crease blend there. No, so that's, what day are we? Day number 5. Day number 6 down here. We've got a Fillet Instinct. Again, I don't know what this is. What is this? Plumping Lip Polish. Yeah, it's a lip plumper. And we have got shade Brunch Drunk. I love the packaging. That is super cool. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. It's like a lip topper. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it. Oh, wow. So there you go. So Fillet Instinct for number 6. Number 7 over here. They've all got wrapping on. So I'm going to take all the wrapping off first and then I'll show you on all the others. But we've got a little eyeshadow, is it? It's an eyeshadow and it's in shade Heat. There. So that shadow's there. That's lovely. That's really pretty. Let's see on my hand here. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That is really pretty. You can see some gold tones in there, but it's like a coppery peach shade. Can you see? No, that's nice. Really nice. So that's day number 7. 8 down the bottom here. We've got a retractable lip liner and this is shade Nude. Is that? Try a bit on my hand. I recently had a nude lip liner in another calendar and I was saying that I haven't got many lip liners at all. That's really nice actually. That's really nice. That'll go with quite a few different shades. So yeah, I was saying I haven't got many. I seem to have lots of reds and plums and things. So I need to invest, or I needed to invest in more nudes or nudie type shades. So yeah, so I got another one. So that's day number 8. Number 9 down here. We got another lipstick and this is a NYX Lip Tease and this is a full colour lip lacquer and in shade Strawberry Whip. Lovely packaging again. Oh my gosh, everything is full size. Everything is full size. What does that work out to be? Around £2 a piece if you were to buy them all? I'm not too sure, my maths isn't the greatest. But yeah, that is amazing. £50 for 24 full-size NYX products. I am so chuffed. Let's see what this colour is like though. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, I got a few of these. It's sort of like a rose type tone. It feels really nice on my skin. I know it's not my lips, but you can sort of tell, can't you, when you apply. That is a gorgeous colour, really pretty, and one I do wear. So a Slip Tease. So there's that. 10 over here. We've got a metallic eyeliner, and this is waterproof, and what shade is it? Gunmetal. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. It's got slight flecks of silver in there. Oh, that is lovely. Really, really lovely. It's a little bit different, isn't it? And yeah, I like grey. So there's that. Number 11, up the top here. We got a liquid suede lipstick, and this is metallic matte in shade LSCL. So there's that there. Oh, I was expecting it to be a little bit more metallic than that. Oh, that is nice. That is wearable. Some metallic lipsticks, they just look a bit stupid, especially on someone of my age. You know, fair enough if you're like in your 20s or something, then yeah, you could probably get away with it and it looks really cool. But it can age you, especially if you haven't got very big lips like I have. But no, that is pretty. That is really pretty. You'll see what I mean, hopefully. There, it's not that metallic at all. It's got a slight metallic sort of sheen to it, but no, that's gorgeous. And that colour as well, it's quite dark. So again, quite a minimal type of eye look, and then go bold on the lip. So that's number 11. 12 up the top here. And we have got a gorgeous, what is this? This is everything. It's a lip loving balm. It's a lip balm. So that's the outer packaging. Isn't that beautiful? Just open it up. Full of kisses. It's lovely. Is it tinted at all? No. It looks like it could be tinted, but it's not. There's nothing on my hand there when I applied it. So there's that. 13 up here. And we've got a powder, and this is Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder. Oh wow. I'll have a try on my hand now. So could that be just like a very fine, like a highlighter, or Let's see. Ooh, oh my word. Yeah, you can see the pink, you can see silver, you can see peach, you can also see like a type of green. I'll put it in my hand. Can you see there? You'll probably just be able to pick up the pink on the camera. Just, yeah. Wow, 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 wow. Look at it, it's just pure white. No, that is lovely. Except it's not for me. It's the first item in this box that I won't use. I might use it on my eyes. No, I don't know. I don't like hoarding makeup. And if there's something that I'm not that keen on, then I prefer to gift it. I prefer to give it away to someone that I know would like it. But yeah, so that's number 13. Number 14 down the bottom. We've got a, what's this? It's a faux black and it's an inner eye liner in black. No, it's purple. I don't know. I'll have a look now. Oh, look at my fingers. It's stained with lipstick. I'm gonna have to wash them now. But I wonder if this means that it won't budge. I haven't found any eyeliner, inner rim eyeliner, that doesn't budge. Even that I've got Urban Decay at the moment 24/7 and it comes off in the inner corners and it's like, no, I want one that stays put regardless of any sort of like wetness that might occur in the corners of my eyes. Wow, this is purple. Oh, I can't wait to give that a go. So yeah, so I'm chuffed to have that. So that's day number 14. 15 here. Calendar's looking good so far. I'm not making too much of a mess out of it. So next we've got a soft matte metallic lip cream. And I forgot to look at the shade, but what is it? We've got it in Copenhagen. There, that shade is beautiful. It's like a berry colour. I absolutely love their lipsticks. So that's that. Number 16, and it's already opening, it's here. And we've got another brush. And does this have a number? It's a number 10. I'll show you what the brush nib looks like now. So a nice flat, thin, square brush. So no, that's an unusual brush I haven't seen. Normally when they're like this, they're usually like curved or something. But no, that is like a square. So that's my very first brush like that. So I'll have a play around and see what that's like, but that's that. 17 at the top. I have got a 2-in-1 Lippy, and this is a line and load in shade Ride or Die. So it looks like there. I've never tried this either before. So a 2-in-1 Lippy, does it give you any information? Features a super slim applicator that lines your lips with killer precision and fills them in with a creamy matte colour. The result, a velvety matte pout worth posting about. So that's what it looks like there. That is quite dark. Oh, I do love the nib though. Oh, if it wasn't a different colour for me personally, that is a little bit too dark. Can you see there? I'll give it a go, see what it's like. It is a gorgeous brown colour, but look at that nib. That is brilliant, isn't it? But never mind. There's that. 18 down here. We've got a This Is Everything, and this time it's a lip scrub. And it's in another little gorgeous tin. So it looks like there. Oh, it smells nice. It does smell nice. It smells like sweets, but look at that, it's booble. When you put your finger in it, it starts to go all bitty. So no, you can feel that you can feel the scrub there. That is a cute little tin. So there's that. 19 down here. And we've got a Away We Go. It's a liquid highlighter. I thought it was another lipstick, but yeah, it's in shade, does it say? It's in shade Gold Rush. So it's a liquid highlighter. Is that? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see there? That is beautiful, isn't it? That is really, really pretty. I'm more inclined to use that on my eyelids, I think, unless it blends out really well, because that's a little bit like full on, isn't it? But no, that might blend out quite nicely, actually. Oh, it does. It does blend out. Look. There. So there's that. Number 20 is here. We've got Cosmic Metals, and this is a lip cream, and it's in shade Metropolitan Night. So it's a metallic lip cream. Wow, 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 wow. That is a lip cream. Lip cream. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't use that on my lips. Remember what I was saying earlier on about like a really full on sort of metallic lip colour and being quite pale as well. I think that'll look flipping weird. On me. I'm not saying it'll look weird on any of you, but yeah. but I wonder if I can put that on my eyes, because that would be gorgeous. That is really lovely. Woo, you can see it shining there. So that's day 20. Counting down, 21 is here. And we've got mascara. And this is a Worth the Hype mascara in shade black. That's what it looks like there. A nice big one, which I like. It just clings to my eyelashes a lot better. Not a massive brush, I don't like them, or like sort of weird shaped type brushes, but just a nice thick brush like this, so that it grabs my short, straight lashes really well. So yeah, nice that we got a mascara in there. So there's that. So number 22 is here. And we've got a liquid lipstick, and this is Glitter Girls in shade Shimmy. So there's that. I'll take it out now. Oh my word. Oh my word. Look at that. That is super bright. That is super bright. I love this sort of colour. I love bright oranges, so I'm happy with that. But it all depends on how glittery it is. Oh no, that's stunning. That is stunning. When I saw it on here, I was thinking, I'm not that keen on that colour. Not that, those lips, I don't really like that. But look at that. That is definitely me. I love it. Absolutely love it. You can see a little bit of glitter in there, but that's fine. Obviously not a daytime sort of lipstick unless you're going somewhere posh or a do or something like that. But yeah, definitely something to wear out in the evening or a night out or something like that. Absolutely chuffed with that. So there's that. 23 up here. And we've got a repeat item, which is very weird. It's the Foil Play in shade Malice. Why have we got two? The only thing I can think of is that because, do you remember me saying that on the bottom of the advent calendar it gives you like a few different options, so everyone will receive one of these but you might have different shades. They're like 2 or 3 different shades. It just might have been bad luck that they actually put 2 of the same in, so maybe I was supposed to get one of the other shades. Well, that is a shame because I got 2 of them, but never mind. I'm sure someone would love it. One of my friends would love that. 24 here. I can't take the wrapping off. I can take it off to show you what it looks like inside, but it's just a little bit stuck on there. This is a lip lingerie and we have got shade Lippy. I think it's Lippy anyway. So I think this is the very first lip lingerie lipsticks they've had so far in the calendar, and they're gorgeous. But yeah, it's like a mauve type of colour. A mauve, I'd say. So that's really pretty. So there's that, that's nice. I was looking around then thinking, where's 25? But no, there's 24 doors in this advent calendar. Oh, silly me. So those are all the items. We've got an amazing mix. We've got makeup brushes, we've got a lip scrub, a lip balm, we've got a few different ranges of lipsticks, we've got lip pencils, eye pencils, pigments, we've got, oh my gosh, mascara. The only thing we're missing would have been really cool, would be a really nice sort of like a coloured liquid eyeliner maybe. What else is there? Maybe a nice highlighter, but yeah, other than that, I think they've pretty much covered a lot, haven't they? I think this is an amazing calendar. Yes, there's a few items that, you know, are a bit hit and miss with me. The very first lipstick is a really strange colour to wear, but I might wear it for videos, or I might wear it if I go out or something like that. I will play around with it and see it. Do you remember that very vibrant like lilac pink? It is beautiful, but it's not like a everyday sort of shade. And I think one of the other lipsticks, I think it's the 2-in-1, that was quite a dark brown. But yeah, I think overall I am 100% happy that I bought this advent calendar. I honestly think that it could well be the best calendar of Nyx has done since I've been receiving them over the last couple of years. I am really impressed with it. I'm impressed that they're all full size. Last year's calendar cost exactly the same, and we had a lot of samples. Not samples, we had lots of minis, I should say. This would make an amazing gift actually, even if not as an advent calendar, taking all the products out and putting them in a beautiful box and wrapping it up to give to, I don't know, a daughter or a friend or a partner or something. I think that would be lovely. It'd be really nice to have like a big collection of makeup. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Do you think it's great, or do you think, nah, you're really disappointed, it's not what you'd hoped and you're not going to get it? So all your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.